Hi students, today in my ninth class, part 9, specimen question paper 12 standard, short type of question, another 10 question is given here from question number 77 to question number 86. Let us try to explain all the sums. Question number 77. This is a express root 3 plus I in polar form and find the value of root 3 plus I whole to the power 6. It is complex number sum. Here root 3 plus I. We multiply 2 divided by 2 equals to 2. Root 3 means cos pi by 6. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2 plus I sine pi by 6. Sine 30 is half. This is in polar form. R cos theta plus I sine theta equals to R cos theta plus I sine theta, where R equals to 2 and theta means it is modulus. Modulus R equals to 2 and theta means amplitude. Argument theta is pi by 6. Now we have to find root 3 plus here this equals to 2. Now we can write root 3 plus I whole to the power 6 equals to 2 cos pi by 6 plus I sine pi by 6 all over to the power 6, because root 3 plus I value is this, put it here, power 6, that is 2 to the power 6 breaking cos 6 into pi by 6 plus I sine 6 into pi by 6 by De Moivre's theorem. Cos theta plus I sine whole to the power n cos n theta plus I sine n theta. 6 cancelled. Then 2 to the power 6 is 64. Cos pi is minus 1 plus 0. That is minus 64 is the value of the given expression. Next, sum number 78. Question number 78. It is a differentiation sum y equals to, first rationalizing this 1 minus x, multiply both numerator and denominator, 1 plus x, 1 minus x. We can write 1 minus x by root over of 1 minus x square, y equals to this. Now differentiating with respect to x. Differentiating with respect to x. dy by dx equals to, it is u by v. So root over of 1 minus x square whole square. Root over of 1 minus x square is constant and numerator derivative is minus 1 minus 1 minus x constant, differentiation of denominator, that is 1 by 2 root over of 1 minus x square. Then in chain rule it is minus 2x, x square derivative is minus 2x. Now this is coming left hand side, this one, that is 1 minus x square, square root removed, dy by dx equals to minus root over of 1 minus x square. This minus and this should 2 cancelled is 2x. This should be plus 1 minus x by root over of 1 minus x square. And do subtraction. Root over of 1 minus x square is LCM. Here this divided by this is then minus 1 minus x square, this into x, plus x minus x square, that is minus 1 plus x square plus x minus x square by root over of 1 minus x square. X is cancelled, that is minus common 1 minus x by root over of 1 minus x square. So 1 minus x square dy by dx is minus 1 minus x by root over 1 minus x into root over 1 plus x. Yes, cover this square a plus b a minus b, and this cancel. There should be root over 1 minus x, that is minus y, that is we can write this equals to minus root over 1 minus x by by 1 plus x. This is y value of this. This is value of this, y is this. Then this equals to y. Then dy by dx minus y by 1 plus x square. It is 1 by 1 minus x square. That implies dy by dx equals to y by x square minus 1. Minus value removed, that is a 1 minus x square. This is x square minus 1. That's why sign changed. And that is as per right hand side proved. In question number 79. Question number 79. It is a differential equation sum. Question number 79, y minus x dy by dx equals to a y square plus a dy by dx. Is coming left hand side, y minus a y square equals to dy by dx a plus x. Now dx by a plus x equals to dy a, here this is y minus a y square, here y is common, 1 minus a y. Now you have to integrating both sides. Now this is a partial fraction sum. We can write 1a by 1 minus ay plus 1 by y. We can break it to subtraction. So this is ay, that is this. Then integration dx a plus x equals, we can write a by 1 minus ay dy plus 1 by y dy. We break it. If you add this y, 1 minus ay, that is ay plus 1 minus ay cancelled, then it is proved. Okay, now let us do integrating both sides. This is log of a plus x equals to, this will be minus 1 minus ay equals to z, minus a dy equals to dz. Then a dy equals to minus dz. We can write here minus dz by z plus log y plus log c. Here log a plus x equals to minus log of z. Z means 1 minus a y plus log y plus log c. While log c is constant, this is coming left. Log a plus x plus log a minus 1 minus ay equals to log yc. That is log a plus log b, log a plus x into 1 minus ay equals to log c. Removing log both sides, a plus x 1 minus ay equals to c. That is solution of the given differential equation. Next, sum number 80. Sum number 79 finished. Now sum number 80. It is an integration sum. First of all, we have to break it. 2x square plus 3x plus 5. Taking 2 common, x square plus 3 by 2x plus 5 by 2. Now try to make it square form. 2, this is x square plus 2 into 3 by 4x plus 9 by 16 plus 5 by 2 minus 9 by 16. That is 2. This is x plus 3 by 4 whole square plus LCM is 16. 40 minus, that is root over of 31 by 4 whole square. Now value of this is, we can write integration dx, half is outside, x plus 3 by 4 whole square plus root 31 by 4 whole square. That is 1 by x square plus a square formula, 1 by a tan inverse x by a half, 1 by a means 4 by root 31 tan inverse x plus 3 by 4 by root 31 by 4 plus c. You can simplify it, that is 2 by root 31 tan inverse 4x plus 3 by root 31 plus c. That is the integration value of this given sum. Next, this is sum number 80. Next, sum number 81. This is a differentiation sum, question number 81. Y equals to x sin x. You have to prove this. Now differentiating both sides with respect to x, dy by dx equals to x constant sin x derivative cos x plus sin x constant x derivative 1. Now this is the value of, they put it here, left hand side. 1 by y, dy by dx value is this, x cos x plus sin x minus 1 by x. That is x cos x plus sin x, y value is x sin x minus 1 by x equals to, now splitting up this by this means x square, that is cot x plus 1 by x minus 1 by x cancelled, that is cot x, that is right hand side. That is proved. Next, sum number 82. Question number 82, it is integration. Question number 82. Integration sec square x dx root over of tan square x plus 4 means 2 square. We can take tan x equals to z. Now differentiating sec square x dx equals to dz, put it here, numerator dz root over of z square plus 2x square, that is log of z plus root over of z square plus 4, that is 82. Z square plus 4. Put the value of this, log of z means tan x plus root over of tan square x plus 4 plus c, where c is arbitrary constant. That is the answer of the given integration. Next, sum number 82. 83. Next, sum number 83. It is also integration sum, question number 83. Integration 0 to pi by 2 cos x dx by sin x plus cos x. It is definite integral sum using the property, of definite integral. We can write I equals to, this is I, let this I equals to 0 to pi by 2 cos pi by 2 minus x dx by sin pi by 2 minus x plus cos pi by 2 minus x. You know, sin pi by cos pi by 2 minus x, sin x, integration 0 to pi by 2. This is sin x dx. This is cos x plus sin x. So now adding this is 1 and this is 2. Adding 1 and 2. So 2I equals to integration 0 to pi by 2. This and this adding, numerator, denominator is same. That is sin x plus cos x. Cos x plus sin, that is sin x plus cos x. Dx, this integration is x. 0 to pi by 2. Then 2I equals to pi by 2 minus 0. Then I equals to pi by 4. Why? Which is I? Value of this integration is pi by 4. Hence, question number 84. Question number 84, it is differential equation sum. Question number 84. Y log y dx. Y log y dx plus x minus log y dy equals to 0. Now we can take right hand side. This equals to minus this. This equals to minus this. Now dy. Now dx by dy equals to minus x minus log y by y log y. We can take it dx by dy, this by this will be plus 1 by y log y into x and equals to log y by y log y. That is 1 by y. It is the form of dx by dy plus px equals to qy. This type of sum we have to find integrating factor if equals to e to the power p means 1 by y log y dy. So log y value z, that is 1, put log y z, 1 by y dy equals to dz, that is e to the power integration 1 by z dz, 1 by log y minus 1 by y dy minus dz, it is 1 by y, and e to the power log z, that is only z, that is log y. Log y is the integrating factor. Now x into integrating factor, x into log y equal integration 1 by y log y dy. Put again log y equals to u, 1 by y dy equals to du. Put it here, that is 1 by y dy du, that is u du, that is u square by 2 plus c, that is half. What is u square? That is log y whole square plus c. Then x log y equals to half. U square means log y whole square plus c. That is the answer of the given differential equation. Then sum number 85. Here question number 85, it is a metric sum. Question number 85. Let B equals to A, B, C, D. Matrix B. Then A, B, C, D into 1 minus 2, 1, 4 equals to 6, 0, 0, 6. Now multiply A plus B. A plus B, then minus 2A plus 4B, then C plus D minus 2C plus 4D, minus 2C plus 4D. Multiplication 6, 0, 0, 6. Now comparing A plus B equals to 6. Here A plus B equals to 6 and minus 2A plus 4B equals to 0. That is minus A plus 2B equals to 0. So A equals to 2B. 2B plus B equals to 6. Then B value 2. A value, put it here. A value 4. Got A and B. Similarly, C plus D equals to 0. C plus D equals to 0. Minus 2C plus 4D equals to 6. That is minus C plus 2D equals to 3. Then here C equals to minus D, put it here. That is minus plus D plus 2D equals to 3. Then D value 1 and C value is minus 1. Then B matrix equals to AB, A value 2, A value 4, B value 2, C value minus 1, D value 1. That is the required matrix B. Then sum number 86. Last sum number 86. It is a inverse function sum, question number 86. Prove that therefore 2 tan inverse x, tan inverse 1/3 plus tan inverse 1/7 equals to pi by pi by 4. 4, this equals to pi, then this equals to pi by 4. You have to prove it. Now 2 tan is the formula. Tan inverse 2x by 1 minus x square plus tan inverse 1/7. It is LHS equals to tan inverse 2/3 into 9/8 plus tan inverse 1/7 equals to tan inverse A plus tan formula tan inverse A plus B over 1 minus AB 3/28 equals to tan inverse LCM is 28, 21 plus 4 into we can write denominator 25/28 equals to tan inverse 25/28 into 28/25, that is tan inverse 1, that is pi by 4. You have to prove value of this pi by 4, that is proved. Okay, now please make a note of these sums. 10 sums is there, short type of question. And if you like my videos, please subscribe. Okay, thank you.